Hello children, you all know what numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. But have you ever wondered where these numbers come from? They were invented by Hindu mathematicians. These numbers were later adopted by the Arabs, and the Arabs introduced these to the world. These numbers are called Hindu-Arabic numbers worldwide. Just like Hindu-Arabic numbers, the Romans, that is the people of Rome, used their own method to represent numbers called Roman numerals. But what are Roman numerals? In this video, we will explore a fascinating number system called Roman numerals. The Romans used the letters I, B, X, L, C, D, M to write numbers. The combination of these 7 letters form the Roman numerals. In Roman numerals, I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500 and M is equal to 1000. But which letter was used to write 0? In the Roman numeral system, the number 0 is not written by a specific symbol. The ancient Romans did not have a concept of 0 as we do in our modern number system. Now, let's write the first 10 Roman numerals together. 1 is written as I, 2 as I, 3 as I, 4 as V, 5 as V, 6 as VI, 7 as VII, 8 as VIII, 9 as IX, and 10 as X. To understand this better, let's do some practice. Imagine your friend is locked in a room. You need to crack the code to help your friend come out. The code is a special one. It needs to be entered using Roman numerals. The numbers you have to convert into Roman numerals are 4, 8, 2, 7, 9. What will be the Roman numeral code? 4 will be IV, 8 will be VIII, 2 will be II, 7 will be VII, 9 will be IX. There you go. You have entered the correct code and set your friend free. Moving on, students, how would you write 15 in Roman numerals? Is it V? No! There are certain rules that must be followed when we read or write Roman numerals. We will study all the rules and understand how to write 15 and other numbers as Roman numerals. Rule 1. When a symbol is used more than once, we add its value to the number of times it is repeated to get the value. For example, I is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 because I is 1. And XX is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 because X is 10. Next, we move on to rule number 2. Symbols I, X, C and M cannot be repeated more than 3 times continuously in Roman numerals. For example, 40 cannot be written as X, and 5 cannot be written as I. Also, the symbols V, L and D cannot be repeated in a numeral. For example, 15 cannot be written as V. Then How would we write 15? To understand that, let's take a look at rule number 3. When a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of a greater value, the smaller value is added to the greater value. For example, in xv, x is 10 and v is 5. The smaller number 5 is to the right of the greater number 10. Hence, it should be added to the greater number. So, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Similarly, L, X, X, I is written as 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 73. The smaller numbers are written on the right of the largest number in descending order. So, 10 is written to the right of 50 and 1 to the right of 10. But then, what will be 40 written as? Will it be x, 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 x or IVX? No. Let's look at rule 4 to understand it. When a symbol of a lesser value is written to the left of a symbol of a greater value, then a smaller value is subtracted from the greater value. For example, in IX, x is equal to 10 and I is equal to 1. X is greater than I and so it is placed to the right of I. Hence, 1 needs to be subtracted from 10. Therefore, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. And we know that Ix is equal to 9. Similarly, we write 40 as XL. But why do we write it like this? As we know, L is 50 and X is 10. And 50 is greater than 10. So L is placed to the right of X. We can write 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Therefore, 40 is written as XL. With this, we now know what Roman numerals are, what are their symbols, and what are the rules to write them. Now children, let me tell you an interesting way to learn more with the EduRev app. Do you know that you can solve the worksheet of this chapter and can also take the MCQ test with the EduRev app? These worksheets and tests can also help you become the topper of your class. And not just mathematics, you also get courses for EVS, English, Science, Hindi and all other subjects in the EduRev app. Go ahead and join the EduRev app to learn in the most interesting way. Thank you.